In this example, suppose we need to add constraints and loads to the model. First, make the simulation file the displayed part. We need to fix the translational degrees of freedom in the bottom face of the part. We will use a fixed translation constraint. From the constraint type list, select Fixed Translation Constraint. Select the face to restrain. Now that we've created the constraint, let's look at its location in the Simulation Navigator. Because Solution 1 is active, the constraint is automatically applied to Solution 1. It is also stored in the General Constraint container, and can be dragged into other solutions as needed. Next we will apply loads to the model. From the Load Type list, select Force. We will apply a force that will be distributed around the edge of the hole. To make it easier to select the edge, from the Type Filter list, select Polygon Edge. Now only edges are selectable. Select the edge of the hole. Because we are defining the force on a polygon edge, and not on the edge of an element, the load is a geometry-based load. This means that it updates automatically if the underlying geometry changes. For the force magnitude, enter 10 newtons. Use the polygon face type filter to make it easier to select faces. We want the force to push the face outward, so select the face that is normal to that direction. Notice the arrow that indicates the direction of the force. Click the reverse direction button to flip the direction. The force displays with the default offset mode. We can change this display. In the navigator, right-click the force and choose Edit Display. Select Collapsed. The collapsed display mode indicates the direction of the force with arrows. Now rename the force appropriately. Next we will create a load that pulls on both holes. We will add this new load to a separate subcase. With subcases, you can analyze multiple loading conditions in a single analysis. Right-click the solution and select New Subcase. Use the default settings and click OK. Open the Force dialog box again. Select the interface on both holes. Enter a force magnitude of 10 newtons. Select the inside bottom face to let the software infer the direction of the force. The new load appears in Solution 1, in the second subcase. Both subcases and loads will be included in this solution. Rename the new load appropriately. Now we are ready to solve the model.